Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy.
Alright guys, so today we are at Christmas Caves, which is also White Gravel Mines, if I remember right. And this is in
Minford, Ohio.
Hey, say hi to the camera. Can you say cheese? Anyways, so we got the granddaughter, got some of the kids here with us. It's becoming an annual thing. Every year we're coming out here, getting some footage for you guys, trying to improve every year. So today we got the ring light loaded up. Now in these caves, I'm understanding that it's a pretty much sustained temperature year round, right honey?
It's 50 plus degrees in there year round, summer or winter, so you make sure you dress appropriately. Don't come totally bundled up.
Yeah, they came last year in full on winter gear and died sweating trying to walk through it. So we're just going to take you quickly through here. We're not going to chat about it much. We will put the full address in the description box. You guys know how to get here. It is donation based, but we do ask that you guys come down here. You know, give them $5 a person or so. This is a big deal. This is a big cost to set up. Porta potties, parking.
They put a lot of work into this.
A lot of effort, a lot of work, a lot of money into this. So let's go ahead and support that so we can continue to do this every year. You ready? You ready?
Let's go.
Everybody ready? Here we go.
Along the way, you'll see that there's many placards that tells the Christmas story. Make sure you check these out and read them because they explain each one of the scenes.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat, repeat the sounding joy. No more let sins and sorrows grow, nor thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found, for as the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove.
So they've got cookies and gourmet hot chocolate inside the caves at one location that you can get. Somebody's already got some cookies. You like your cookies? This is very family-friendly entertainment to take your children out to. It's stroller-friendly. So this is really an opportunity to do something great with your children if you want to get out of the house and enjoy the holidays. You ready to go see some more? You all done, or you want to see more?
See more.
All right, we're going to see more.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
This is Baby Jesus.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy face, with the dawn of redeeming
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing.
All right, so we had a wonderful evening tonight at Christmas Caves here in Minford, Ohio, also known as White Gravel Mines. Just so much great family-oriented content, soft sandy floors, you know, everything's roped off for safety where you don't need to go. It's real easy to tell where you're going. It's well lit, but yet not overlit.
Temperatures are very nice. If you're a family group, a church group, or just an individual person who wants to go for a nice short hike during the winter but stay warm, I think it's a great place.
Yep, and it's really kid friendly. It really is. I mean, it's not like there's any places where your child can go through the ropes and get hurt or anything. So it's a very safe environment. It's stroller friendly even. We saw strollers in there. And I mean, I had a really great time. This is going to be an annual thing for our channel. You're going to see videos of this every single year. We also do post it to their Facebook page. I'll be putting the information to get here in the description box below, so please take a moment, go down there, and then also get down here and give some donations. Come on guys, they really put a lot of effort into it down here.
And it's a free event. They only ask for $1 per person donation, but we give a little bit more than that just because we really appreciate all the hard work that they go through to set this up.
Yep. So did everybody have a good time?
Did you have a good time?
Yep. All right guys, so from our world outdoors to you, we hope you all have a very Merry Christmas, and make sure you make time to get out to events like these. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.